Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC40 Phev T4 Plus Bright 5-Door Auto, the perfect combination of luxury and efficiency. With a sleek black exterior, a powerful 1.5-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine, and automatic transmission, this estate Jeep is the epitome of style and performance. Loaded with comfort and accessories, features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, as well as security and safety features such as ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle also includes interior features like cup holders, security features like a spoiler, and other convenient features such as a stop and start system and self-driving capabilities. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.